Okay, hi students, welcome to Sniper Bytes. Now, in this particular video, I'll be showing you the Reaver attack. Now, without any delay, let's start. Reaver attack is a Wi-Fi attack, as you already know. First, I'll check my interface. I'm typing a IW config. So, I have this my alpha interface. Okay, so you might be seeing it is in the monitor mode. So how to put this interface in the monitor mode for this attack? You can do one thing. This is ifconfig wlan1, and first I'll make it down, and after that iwconfig, I'll put it in monitor mode. That is iwconfig wlan1 mode monitor, and I'll bring the interface again up by writing iwconfig, ifconfig, and it will be up. So now my this interface, that is WLAN1, is in monitor mode. Now I'll have one more command actually, sudo kill all wpa underscore supplement. This command we execute. The reason is you can say कि the processes which actually interferes with the Wi-Fi monitor mode, so it will kill all the processes. So there are no processes to be killed, but then still I'll prefer to execute this command. Again, I'm saying this command is we execute to kill the processes that interfere with the Wi-Fi monitor mode. Now, once this is done, what I'll do is first I'll scan. Now I'll scan all the Wi-Fi's in the network. So what I'm saying is how to scan. I'll write wash hyphen I means for the interface, and WLAN1 is my alpha interface. Enter. It will scan and give me all the interfaces, all the Wi-Fi signals. Sorry, all the Wi-Fi within my vicinity. No, it's not working. Again, I'll run. Now it's scanning perfectly. So I can see one Wi-Fi Akshit and one Wi-Fi Mitali too. So there's one more Joshi. So I'll press Control C to stop. This is enough for working. Now what I'll do is uh, I'll try to attack this Akshitka thing for the Wi-Fi password. So the command will be Reaver hyphen I for interface. I'm using WLAN1 interface. Hyphen B for MAC address. Which MAC address I need to attack? Now you can see I need to attack this particular address, right? So what I'm going to do is I'll copy it. What I'll do is I'll copy it, and I'll paste it here. I'll paste it here instead of this. I'll paste it here. Okay, and enter. Now, this particular river attack will check all the possible combinations for the Wi-Fi password for this particular router MAC address. Okay. Now, if you get the password at the end, it will display the password here. Okay. Thank you so much.